Choosing the right windows for your Crestview home is a big decision. Whether you're building a new home, renovating, or replacing old windows, the type of windows you select can greatly impact the aesthetic, comfort, and energy efficiency of your home. With so many options available, it can feel overwhelming, but with the right knowledge, you can make a choice that enhances both the functionality and curb appeal of your home. Here's a guide to help you choose the best windows for your Crestview home. Consider the local climate. Crestview enjoys a warm, humid climate with mild winters, which can have a significant impact on your energy bills and home comfort. This means energy efficiency should be a top priority when selecting windows. In the hot summer months, you'll want windows that help block out heat and UV rays, while in the winter, you'll need windows that help retain warmth inside. Look for windows with low E-glass coatings, which reduce heat transfer, and double or triple pane windows that provide better insulation. These types of windows can help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature year-round while also lowering your energy costs. Window styles that fit your home's aesthetic. The style of window you choose plays an important role in the overall look and feel of your home. Here are some common window styles that work well in Crestview homes. Double-hung windows. Classic and versatile, double-hung windows have two sashes that move vertically. They offer excellent ventilation, easy cleaning, and can be designed to fit both traditional and modern homes. Casement windows. These windows open outward with a simple crank mechanism, providing wide ventilation. Casement windows are great for hard-to-reach areas like above the kitchen sink or in areas that require maximum airflow. Sliding windows. Ideal for spaces where you need a wide opening, sliding windows glide horizontally. They're simple to operate and provide unobstructed views. Picture windows. Perfect for rooms with great views, picture windows are fixed, large panes of glass that do not open. They allow natural light to flood in and offer panoramic views of your surroundings. Bay or bow windows. For a more dramatic look, bay or bow windows extend outward from your home. They add space and style while letting in more natural light. Select a window style that complements your home's architectural style and your specific needs. Choose the right material for your windows. The material of your windows affects their durability, maintenance, and energy efficiency. Here are the most common materials for windows. Vinyl windows. Vinyl is one of the most popular and affordable options for Crestview homes. It's low maintenance, resistant to weathering, and provides excellent insulation. Vinyl windows don't need painting and won't warp or rot over time. Wood windows. Wood offers a timeless, traditional look and provides excellent insulation. However, wood windows require regular maintenance, such as painting or staining, to keep them looking great and prevent rotting. Fiberglass windows. Fiberglass windows are durable, energy efficient, and require little maintenance. They are resistant to weathering, and their energy efficiency is comparable to vinyl but with a more upscale look. Aluminum windows. While aluminum windows are durable and lightweight, they are not as energy efficient as vinyl or fiberglass. They can be a good option in areas with mild weather but may not be ideal for Crestview's hot summers. Consider factors like durability, maintenance, and insulation properties when choosing the material for your windows. Focus on energy efficiency. Since Crestview experiences warm summers and mild winters, energy efficiency is crucial. Look for windows with the Energy Star label, which indicates that they meet specific energy efficiency standards. Energy-efficient windows help prevent air leakage and reduce the workload on your heating and cooling systems, ultimately lowering your utility bills. Windows with low E glass and argon or krypton gas fills between the panes provide additional insulation, making them an excellent choice for maintaining indoor comfort and reducing energy costs. Be sure to check the U factor, which measures the insulation properties of a window, and solar heat gain coefficient, SHGC, to understand how the window performs in both heat insulation and UV protection. Window security feature. Security should always be a consideration when selecting windows for your home. Look for windows that come with multi-point locking systems, which provide added protection against intruders. Additionally, consider impact-resistant glass or reinforced frames for ground-level windows or areas that are more vulnerable to break-ins. Consider your budget. Your budget plays a big role in the type of windows you choose. While higher quality windows may have a higher upfront cost, they can save you money in the long run through energy savings and lower maintenance. If you're on a budget, consider opting for vinyl windows, which are affordable, energy efficient, and low maintenance. Conclusion. Choosing the best windows for your Crestview home requires careful thought and consideration. Take into account your home's architecture, your climate, energy efficiency needs, security features, and your budget. Whether you're looking for classic double-hung windows, modern casement windows, or large picture windows, the right choice will not only enhance the beauty of your home but also improve comfort and energy efficiency. For a seamless installation experience, work with a local professional who can guide you through the selection process and ensure a proper fit for your home. By investing in the right windows, you'll be making a smart decision that benefits your home for years to come.